you need to see this video. This is very important. If you care about religion, if you care about Christianity, if you care about Christianity in Africa, you need to see this. I didn't think I would see the day when pastors and their followers start praying for inanimate objects to turn on. Your dirty fridge that wasn't working, your microwaves, a dirty microwaves, kettles, freezers, televisions, iPads, phones that were not working before. Now they're praying and those equipments are turning on. Do you believe this? I will show you in a moment. And this, sadly, is where we are now with this Jerry Eze and his NSPPD movement. His movement is far reaching. And so it bothers me that this is what these people have been convinced to believe, that their God helps them to turn on their inanimate objects. Well, first, let me welcome you to my channel, a place where we explore, we look at thought provoking topics, and we challenge the ideas that shape our world. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's grow this community together. So let's go and have a look at what Jerry Eze and his online NSPPD are starting to do online with inanimate objects.
Of Nigeria, lift up your head. All ye gates of Lagos, be ye lifted. Everlasting doors, let the King of Glory come in. People of God. And because we've gotten multiple requests, people saying, I can't register, I can't do this, I can't do that. Despite we have already hundreds of thousands have registered. And I just felt like saying this today. Whether they registered though, or they did not register. Everybody, they come. Just they come. They come. Like they say in laid back Nigerian language, anyhow it could be. Let it just be like that. After all, it is not a time to sit down. We are not coming to sit down. So tell anyone that says, oh, I have not registered, I don't tell them to just come. Anyhow it could be. Make it be like that. People of God, I'm sure you can't wait. Hey, miracles know they tire Jesus. Or you sit back. Watch what the Lord has done for people like you and I. Take a look. People of God, the promo is still on, though. It's still on, though. Inanimate objects are coming back to life. And the sound of your amen, take your run on.
Pastor Jerry, error. This one has not been working for 3 years now. God of error, visit my home. Oh, look at this tablet. This tablet since 4 years now. This tablet has not been working. Error. Pastor Jerry.
This evening I was mad. Mama was contemplating on buying. My mother carried her phone. Came to this place. Put the phone. See my mom. What God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do does not exist. We're about to see the TV. See the TV.
The promo is still on. Guess what? The wonders of Eroy. This fridge has been down since February 2023. Eroy. Everything is back. Everything is working perfectly. Eroy, what God cannot do does not exist.
This is my microwave. It has not working for years. I just got it in my person inside. It's rusty, Pastor Jerry. Hey, and I'm also a testifier on this beautiful.
This particular one really got me. This one got me. Have a look at the microwave. Have a look at the microwave. The microwave that their God decided to turn back on. The microwave that Jerry and his God decide, you know what? Let us power this microwave back on.
This one is working. When this one got back, I packed it. I bought another one. I bought this one. This one too stopped working. I went to this one, I bought it out. Pastor Jerry looked at the inside. Hey, my own is working now.
What God cannot do does not exist. We're not trying to see the way. See the TV, see the TV.
The promo is still on. Guess what? The wonders of Eroy. This fridge has been down since February 2023. Eroy, everything is back. Everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. Eroy, what God cannot do does not exist.
This is my microwave. It has not working for years. I just packed it in my because inside is rusty, Pastor Jerry. Hey, and I'm also a testifier on this beautiful platform. This one is working. When this one got back, I packed it. I bought another one. I bought this one. This one too stopped working. I went to this one, I brought it out. Pastor Jerry looked at the inside. Hey, my own is working now. This blender has been in the house for ages. I don't know. Hey, it's working. I have this electric cooker too. It's working. The light is on. Hey, see my juice extractor. It is working. Where is the connection? Hey, Pastor Jerry Eze. Look at it. It's working. Oh, I am not finished. My students are finishing. Oh my God. This one, the screen is broken, but it's working. Let me show you the back of this one. It has, in fact, I carried it for repair. It's look at this one. Hey, this one is for years. All this is for me. Let me show you the back. Hey, what, Pastor Jerry? Everything is working in my house. Look at the back of this one. Hey, when I took it, I said it cannot work again. I should not throw it away. But I own it now. It's working up. It's working.
Hey! I have a cooker in my house. This thing has not been working. I've been managing my small cylinder. I saw people testifying from the various houses. I put my phone on top of my cooker. After playing, I just took matches and put in my phone. Look at.
And this is it.
Okay, the thing starts working.
Ring light. A ring light. Please let that sink in. Jerry Eze and his followers believe that their God, Elroy, turned on a ring light, a broken ring light.
The Lord has done it. Oh, microwave for over 6 years. I've started working. After today's testimony, I took my phone to where my own was. Oh, and I say, what a Roy cannot do does not exist. Papa, microwave over 6 years. It has started working. Oh, Papa, see you. Papa, see you. See microwave working. Oh. Promo in my household. This two laptop has been dead. This one is 3 years now. This one is 2 years. I've kept them repaired, but no work. But look, all charged. Charging port was the problem, but no, all working fine. Perfectly working fine. I just want to bless God for this goodness. No wastage this year.
See what the Lord has done. Oh, since 2015, my phone no come up. Oh, I have powered my phone. Oh, hey, I must partake in this promo.
The bonanza has reached my house. What God cannot look at this?
Hey.
Like I have my credit card, like for over 6 months, it stopped working. Like it stops. So when the bonanza has been going around, I was okay, let me try it.
Inanimate object. I am a partaker. My kettle stopped working 2.5 years ago. And this is our season of 100% harvest. Oh, I must get your 100% restoration. Men and brethren, my kettle started working. My kettle has started boiling water again. Oh.
What God cannot do does not exist. Pastor Jerry, my name is.
The God of Jerry Eze. The God of Jerry Eze is powering on fridges, microwaves, kettles. When you look at the standard of those equipments, you can tell that these people are just getting by. These aren't rich people. If they were rich people, why would you be keeping anything what's broken? You would have gotten rid a long time ago. But no, Jerry Eze's followers have been convinced that Elroy powered on all their old, dirty, rusty equipment. So you're telling me God didn't bother with the other things in the world? God is not interested in more pressing issues. God is interested in your kettle. God is not interested in more pressing issues. He is interested in powering on your phone you've not used since 2015. Oh no, God is more interested in powering on your laptop. This really, it did something to me. Honestly, there comes a point you see some videos and you wonder what's going on. But this one hits a bit different. These people have been told that there is a bonanza. God is giving a bonanza, and that bonanza is to give them electricity or to power on their old equipment. Guys, I don't know where to go with this. I don't know where to begin. Where does this end? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? This completely breaks my heart. But anyway, you had to see this. I would love to know what you think about this. Please put your comments. Tell me what you think about the God that powers on dirty microwaves, the God that powers on old kettles, the God that powers on fridges. Please let me know what you think. Unfortunately, this is the outlook of Christianity. This is the outlook of religion. If we don't get a grip on it, while the rest of the world is moving forward, our people will be praying for a God to come and turn on their old forms, a God to come and turn on their broken down equipment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.